Tonight, tracking devices show the speed and locations of 4 HPD officers during an unauthorized chase that ended with a devastating crash in Makaha in 2021.
The prosecution's exhibit list shows the police vehicles did not stop at the crash scene, where 6 people were badly hurt. Our chief investigative reporter Lynn Kawano has more on the upcoming trial.
The GPS technology is clear. The officers drove away from the crash site, met up at a school until the 911 calls came in. Court records say the AVL, or Automated Vehicle Locator, showed the 4 officers involved were at Maili Beach Park to break up a party on September 21st at 3:42 in the morning.
Hey!
The AVL shows 3 of them on the move shortly after, allegedly chasing the white sedan at speeds near or above 100 miles an hour at times. The Honolulu Prosecutor's Office plans to use the technology when trial starts in June. Joshua Nahulu is charged with the most serious crime. He's accused of causing the crash that injured everyone in the car, while the other defendants are accused of covering it up. All but 1 have been fired from the department. The court filing shows 3 HPD vehicles were racing down Farrington Highway. The white sedan crashed just west of Orange Street at 3:46 a.m. The AVL data shows shortly after that, 3 HPD vehicles drove past the crash scene, turning Mauka on Jade Street. At Lahaina Street, they all headed east and continued until Makaha Valley Road. They turned back onto Farrington Highway, but instead of going to the scene to help the critically wounded occupants, the technology shows they drove the opposite direction. At 3:50 a.m., 4 minutes after the crash, the AVL shows Nahulu, Jake Bartolome, and Eric Smith started to gather at Waianae Middle School. Joining them was the 4th defendant, Officer Robert Lewis.
It's a big linchpin, it is, but as we know from trials, this is just one piece of evidence, and the jury will have to consider all of the evidence as a whole, but some evidence is much more valuable than others. The big thing about this type of evidence is it's irrefutable. They're going to have to come up with a reason to explain this data and why it says what it says.
The defense is contesting witness statements that Nahulu bumped the sedan before it spun out, rolling through the field. An accident reconstruction expert for the prosecution said he found no evidence of damage or paint transfer that would show an impact with Officer Nahulu's subsidized SUV. The expert also found possible problems with the braking system of the sedan that could have caused the driver to lose control. 6 people, including teens, suffered critical and serious injuries. All have permanent damage in various degrees. The city has settled 2 of the 3 civil lawsuits connected to the case for a total of $17 million. I'm Lynn Kawano, Hawaii News Now.